unfortunate news to another unfortunate news. We are learning that a major train accident in Jharkhand early Tuesday morning, which is today, have left 2 people dead, unfortunately. Some taken to local hospital for the treatment. Rescue teams have already reached the spot, and as per the sources, it's a side collision that has transpired there. Let's listen in to the ground reports that we have collected for you.
झारखंड के चक्रधरपुर रेल मंडल क्षेत्र में एक बड़ा ट्रेन हादसा हुआ है। फिलहाल मैं अभी वहां घटनास्थल में मौजूद हूं। आप यहां देख रहे हैं, ये हावड़ा मुंबई ट्रेन जो हावड़ा मुंबई मेल है, ये हावड़ा से मुंबई की ओर जा रही थी और यहाँ बड़ा बम्बो के पास यहाँ पर ये डिरेल हुई है। और इसके साथ इसके बगल लाइन में जो डाउन लाइन से आ रही थी, चक्रधरपुर से टाटा की ओर जो जा रही थी एक मालगाड़ी, वो डिरेल हुई है। जैसा बताया जा रहा है कि मालगाड़ी पहले डिरेल हुई और उसके चपेट में आकर जो हावड़ा मुंबई मेल है वो डिरेल हुई है। हावड़ा मुंबई मेल जो ट्रेन है उसके अधिकांश बोगियां पटरी से उतर गई है। करीब जैसे 18 बोगी यहाँ ट्रैक से उतर गई है। और कितना जोरदार ये हादसा हुआ है, आप देख रहे हैं कि ट्रेन की जो बोगियां हैं पूरी तरह से नीचे उतर गई है। स्लीपर यहाँ के प्राय बर्बाद हो गया है। और इस जो घटना में, इस हादसे में अगर कैजुअलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं तो 2 लोगों की मौत की बात सामने आ रही है और दर्जनों लोग इसमें घायल हुए हैं। और फिलहाल अभी यहाँ पर चक्रधरपुर रेल मंडल के जो वरीय अधिकारी हैं मौके पर जमे हुए हैं, उनसे भी हम बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। उनके द्वारा आधिकारिक रूप से अभी ये नहीं बताया जा रहा है कि कितने लोग घायल हैं, लेकिन जो हमारे रेल कर्मियों से या अन्य सूत्रों से जो जानकारी मिल रही है, 20 लोगों के आसपास यहाँ घायल होने की जानकारी मिल रही है, जिन्हें चक्रधरपुर के अस्पताल ले जाया जा रहा है इलाज के लिए। या घटनास्थल में आप देख रहे हैं कि हजारों की संख्या में लोग भी आसपास के जमा हो गए हैं और फिलहाल यहाँ पर राहत कार्य जारी है।
CNN News 18's Akash Sharma is joining us live on the broadcast. Akash, please walk us through the latest inputs that you have received in this particular story. What's the latest number of the casualties that have happened? How many have been taken to the local hospital for the treatment? How many are still feared to have been stuck inside the train?
Right. So, Sakshi, this incident has happened in the early morning hours when this 12810 Howrah Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus train, in fact, was moving towards Mumbai, and this is when the accident happened. We have been told that, earlier a goods train got derailed on the same section, and the derailed wagons were there on the track, because of which side collision happened, and this passenger train also got derailed. However, we haven't got any official confirmation on the side collision. Further, we are learning that 2 people have lost their life in this accident, and more than 7 to 8 are injured. Also, rail officials are telling us that senior officers are very much there on site. As of now, they are clearing the track. They are taking out people who are there under the debris and also are shifting them to the hospital. Latest update suggests us that many trains have been cancelled, diverted or regulated in that sense that passengers can have no problem in traveling. Further, the passengers who were traveling from this particular train have been, sent to their destination via, buses or a special train. Also, we are learning that rescue operation is going on in fact, at this point in time. Senior officers are very much monitoring the situation from Railway Board, and the priority is of course to clear the track and restore the traffic. But this is an unfortunate incident that has happened, and yet again another train accident where we are learning about the side collision. Investigation will lead us as to what actually happened in this particular case, but the initial information is coming of a side collision because of which this derailment has happened. Also, the videos coming from that particular track are suggesting that more than 16 to 17 coaches are affected. Officials are also telling that around 16 to 17 coaches are affected in this particular accident, where this was a passenger train, and in the AC coaches many of the people were in fact sleeping at the time when this accident has happened. So, the rescue operation is going on, and we are, expecting that traffic will be, in fact, restored very soon.
Right, Akash, please stay on with us because we are looking at political blame game happening over this unfortunate incident as well. Let's take a look at one of the breaking news now.